So guys, this is my Eureka. I'm gonna show you how to install CM12.1 on Eureka. That is, it comes with Lollipop 5.1 with a great number of fixes, but Cyanogen has not yet released its official update. So I thought I can give you a idea to install a custom ROM based on CM12.1. So let's get started. So unlocking, yeah. First you have to what boot into recovery. Okay. Now I am booting into recovery. Then what we gotta do is we have to wipe all the data and also install the stock ROM. So I'm gonna wipe all the data off the phone. So data cache. Yeah, okay. That looks great. Keep swiping. So as you can see, after 5 or 10 minutes or so, the wipe has completed. So I will go ahead and press back. Then also back. Uh, so back. So I have to install the stock ROM. So just I am going to select the zip file. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, yeah. Here is it. So I select the stock ROM and I swipe. So it's flashing, right? So what I did was I tried to flash CM 12.0, that is the stock ROM stock update from the SD card. So it is flashing right as you can see. So after a while it is saying that the flash was successful. So go ahead and press home, then reboot system. So I was having a custom ROM. This is why I use this method. So if you are having the stock ROM itself, that is 12.0 cyanogen, then you can proceed from this step onwards. That is better. You know that it will take so much time to boot up. So I am just closing this video and I will again start it when the phone boots up. Alright. So after a while the boot logo will disappear and what we can see is Android is upgrading or Android is starting some like that, and it will be completed after it installs 122 apps. So we have to wait till that happens. I know it will take a lot of time, so again I am stopping this video. I will again start shooting when the Android is done installing all the applications. That is 122 of them. So you can see that it has installed 23 apps. It's too slow. It is very slow. It takes approximately 15 minutes to complete. So I have to stop this video or it will be a very lengthy video. So this is it. Phone has booted up. So I have to click the correct language. English India. Next. Blah 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 blah. I will wait. Okay. I don't want it. Okay. No data. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Okay, start. Wow, there's a loading plan here. I didn't notice it. Yeah, I know that stuff. You don't want to teach me, right? Cyanogen is trying to teach me. Yeah, I know this. It always does. First time when we boot up, so we must just lock and unlock it. So now it's perfectly working. So you can see that I'm having the official version. Yeah, 1 minute. Settings. A boot phone. What? A boot phone. You can see that uh, it's 5.0.2. See the noise version. That stuff. Blah blah blah. Etc. etc. So what you have to do is you have to copy one file, that is this thingy. Actually there is no ES file explorer, so I have to install one. uh, I prefer ES file explorer because it is much simple. So yeah, blah blah blah. Where is that unknown sources? Yeah, I want unknown sources back. Yeah, install it. Yes, installing. So after which I have to copy a file, that is cyanogen setup wizard from the system to the SD card. So I am doing that on my phone. So open. I will open the what you say root. Then system. Where is the system? The system, there is uh, private apps. Then there is cyanogen setup beside. You can see right here. Yeah. Copy it like this, or not like that, like this. Then open SD card. Then paste it here. Okay, goes there. This is it. We are done with this ROM. So we can just boot into recovery. So uh, build number, uh, where's the developer options? Yeah, where is that option? Advanced reboot menu. Oh, it was on the top, was it? Okay, yeah, advanced reboot. So I may go ahead and click recovery. Okay, so it will be booting into recovery. Uh, you have noticed that I have been using TWRP recovery. That is very important. You need TWRP recovery to do this stuff like this. So this is the TWRP recovery. So I'll be going ahead and installing that custom ROM, that is CM 12.1. that is on downloads. So yeah, here, here it is. Swipe to flash the. So swiping. So you have noticed that I have not wiped the data of my phone. It is not necessary. I have copied the stock setup wizard. So when I copy this stock setup wizard to the setup wizard which is installed in this ROM, then it will trick the device that is the data is existing, so it will trick the device uh, to let it know that the setup has been done early. So that is the trick I am going to use. So if I reboot this phone, uh, it will have the same thing. Android is starting, then optimizing apps, and so and also after which we will get a cyanogen setup wizard, but it will obviously crash. I will show that. So it will take some time to boot up. You can see that the boot logo has changed. This means that the ROM has changed. So guys, as you can see, the Android is starting. That thingy I have told you. So it will take too much of time. So I am pausing this video. So after it boots up, this is what you are gonna see. So let's press next. Skip. This is what happens to many users. Unfortunately, Setup Wizard has stopped. This has happened to many users, so that they are not they cannot upgrade to this CM 12.1. Even if you erase the data and cache also, it will not work. I tried it many times, many ways, but did not work. So I found an idea. So let's get that idea working, right? Yes, it's gonna reboot. So I am going to reboot this device, that is Eureka, into the recovery mode, pressing both the buttons. What we have to do is that we have to click advanced, then we have to click file manager, then there will be so many options. So we can select system in this. There will be system. Uh, yeah, I forgot to mount the system. This also happens to many users. So I am going ahead and mounting the system. So mount system, then back, click back, then advanced file manager, then look for system. Here the system. Then we have to look for. Just be patient. I'm just focusing my camera. It's obviously tab. It's Windows tab. So I gave my camera to my friend last week, so I'm not able to shoot very perfectly. Anyway, you can see, right? You have to go to private apps. Then there will be an option called cyanogen setup wizard. Delete that file. Delete it. Okay. We don't want that file. Pay level up, pay level. You you remember this file, we have copied it from the stock ROM, so we have to copy that thing to here. So we go to SD card, so there will be cyanogen setup wizard, click it, copy file, then open system, private apps, then open that cyanogen setup wizard, then click select, okay, then again swipe to confirm, click back, uh, then also back, 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 then also back, then reboot the system. Now what is going to happen is that the stock setup wizard will run instead of the new setup wizard. So the new setup wizard did not create any files that says that the setup has been successfully done, but the stock setup wizard has already created that in the data. So it will boot like this. It will boot and we can use this ROM. Yeah, we can use this ROM. But you have to see that there is no gaps. So you have to install Google Apps in this phone. So I'm going to conclude. So first you have to, if you are in the stock ROM, that is CM12 stock ROM, then you have to clear the data, then again boot into the stock ROM, do the setup, then you have to boot into recovery, that will be TWRP recovery, then you have to install the zip file, then you have to copy the cyanogen APK from the stock ROM to this ROM, then you have to boot your ROM, then it will be working, everything will be working. And if you have any doubts, I can show you that the settings, about phone, in the about phone section there is Android 5.1, cyanogen 12.1, and also it is unofficial from there is something, yeah, there is mention unofficial tomato, everything is like the old. So okay guys, if you have any problem in installing the gaps, please contact me, I'll be free anytime. So just leave a comment below. So this is it guys for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope it works for your Eureka phones also. Stay tuned for more.